This is a card bot machine. It's really awesome. So I came here and it was updating, but now I'm gonna buy some cards. So as you can see, there's quite a lot here to pick from. So I'm not sure how good the audio is, but this is a really cool discovery. So I'm gonna be buying maybe 4 packs of cards from this, and that's gonna be my next update. So let's see what I've got here. I'm gonna buy 3 and I'm gonna buy 4 cards. Go to checkout. Pay here. This is really cool. Alright, it's gonna do like an auto update, it's gonna grab it.